Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how to get a completely black Steam profile. To get a fully black Steam profile, follow these steps. So first of all, you have to go to Steam's point shop and purchase the Dying Light Twisted Human Game profile costing 10,000 profiles. This will give you 10,000 points. This will give you transparent black columns for your profile. Next, search for the web shaper in the Steam store. Search for web shaper. Here you can see this. Just purchase this one. Unlock its Purchasing this game will unlock its black background. You will need to play for at least 2 hours before claiming the background, which costs around €2. For a fully black aesthetic, pick an avatar with black edges. Other side is one option, but you can explore similar dark avatars. So go to your Steam profile settings. Go to profile, go to settings. Here you can see the settings, tap onto it and search for black backgrounds and select the web shaper. Search for black background and select for web shaper, and that's it. Once all three elements are applied, your Steam profile will be completely black. So that's it. Feel free to make changes or ask for any adjustments in the comment section. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.